Hello and welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into Microsoft's brand new September 2025 Windows 11 feature update. This feature drop is packed with AI enhancements, UI improvements, and even changes to how new PCs set up for the very first time. Stick around, because I'll walk you through everything you need to know in just 10 minutes. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, when can you actually get this? As usual, the feature drop will officially arrive on September 9, 2025, as part of Patch Tuesday. It's rolling out through Update KB5064081, also known as Build 26100.5067. If you're in the Release Preview channel, you may already see it. For most users, you'll simply grab it through Windows Update and restart your PC. Advanced users can even unlock hidden features early using the Viv tool. But don't worry, we'll focus on what's included for everyone. Now let's dive into all the new features. Here are the top 5 highlights, starting with the smallest but most requested detail. You can now enable seconds in the taskbar clock. To do so, open the Settings app, head to Personalization taskbar. Scroll down to Additional taskbar settings under Date and Time, click Seconds and then select the format you prefer. Simple as that. While we're in the topic of the clock, the lock screen is getting more customizable too, with new widget support. Open the Settings app, navigate to Personalization lock screen, then click Customize lock screen. From here, click Add widget, choose from Weather, Stocks, Calendar, and Tip of the Day. And once you pick your widget, customize its settings and position. This way you can tailor your lock screen to quickly check info at a glance without needing to unlock your PC. So whether it's viewing the latest headlines, tracking your favorite stocks, or checking the weather, these widgets make your lock screen more interactive and useful. But perhaps the biggest change is in how you manage your photos. File Explorer now includes a new AI-driven grid view for image search results. Simply right-click on any folder containing images and select Properties. Click the Details tab and then hit Image Details. Now type in keywords or use filters to quickly find the photos you want. It uses advanced AI to analyze faces, objects, locations, and text in your pictures. So finding that one photo you've been looking for has never been easier. This feature utilizes the same technology that powers visual search on the Bing homepage, leveraging billions of images to deliver lightning-fast results. And it's not just about searching. The grid view lets you compare shots side by side. Want to quickly resize multiple images at once? No problem. Just select them and hit Enter. Need to rotate a bunch of photos? Select them and adjust the angle. It's that simple. Before we move on, if you're loving this video so far, why not show your support? Your likes really help us keep bringing this content to you. Let's continue with the AI improvements. The real star of this update is AI integration, especially if you own a Copilot PC. Microsoft is rolling out a redesigned Recall interface, making it easier to review your timeline of activity. To activate Recall, simply say, "Hey, Assistant, show my Recall," or open the Start menu, then click All Apps, navigate to Microsoft Copilot and launch Recall. The revamped homepage lets you easily scan and manage your history. Want to delete certain entries? Simply click the trash icon. Searching is simpler too. Use keywords or browse categories like places, topics, and images. Also, Microsoft is expanding AI actions within File Explorer. Right-click on any file and select the new Click to Do option. Here you can quickly rename, summarize, or even organize files. AI-powered suggestions save you time and effort, whether it's extracting data, generating summaries, or making quick edits. These new actions leverage Copilot's intelligence to boost your productivity. And speaking of boosting productivity, there's a new tutorial experience called Click to Do that guides you through getting comfortable with Copilot. Launch the tutorial from File Explorer or ask Recall to show your clicks. Copilot actions across different apps. This hands-on approach helps you discover Copilot capabilities tailored to your workflow. Now let's shift our attention to another major change, the setup experience, also known as OOBE. Starting with this update, new Windows 11 devices will install security and quality updates during the initial setup process. This means your system is patched the moment you log in for the first time. Security updates are essential to protect against the latest threats. Quality updates ensure you have the best possible Windows experience from day one. Previously, these updates required manual installation after your initial setup, potentially delaying critical patches, but now Microsoft streamlines the process. enabling you to get online and start using your PC faster. Additionally, with the increasing sophistication of cyber attacks, having your system patched from the start reduces the attack surface for potential vulnerabilities. IT admins can still control this behavior with Intune or other MDM tools. Alright, now that we've covered the top features, let's quickly go over what's next. On the horizon, Windows 11 version 25H2 is expected later this fall. This will be a smaller enablement package, so if you're already on 24H2, the upgrade will be super fast, basically just a reboot. Anticipated highlights include a more customizable start menu, further settings app AI integration, and ongoing UI refinements. Notably, this version will reset the support lifecycle, so Windows 11 22H2 will reach end of life on October 13, 2025. When 25H2 releases, it'll offer 24 months of support for Home and Pro and 36 months for Enterprise and Education editions. And there you have it. The September 2025 feature update brings significant enhancements to Windows 11. From quality of life improvements to AI integration and a streamlined setup process, there's a lot to look forward to. Personally, I'm really excited about the new File Explorer features and the AI-powered image management, but feel free to drop a comment below and let me know which feature excites you the most. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.